Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys are new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below because we want to grow our family here on my channel. But if you guys are new here, I upload beauty, lifestyle, food, all different types of content here. So if you guys enjoy any of that, I think you will definitely enjoy my videos. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Saturday here on my channel. And yeah, I think that's really all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get right into the review. Alrighty guys, so for today I have a review on the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration and Hibiscus Water line. So it just looks like this. I picked mine up from Walmart. It was pretty inexpensive. I know that these are under $7. I think they're like $6.87 or something each at Walmart. This line also did come with like a hydration spray thing, but they nowhere around me had it. Like literally Target, Walmart. I think you just have to order it online, and I don't feel like doing all that. I have a leave-in conditioner that I really like for my hair already, so I didn't feel the need to go ahead and purchase that. But I just want to let you guys know that that is a part of this line. So while I'm talking, I'll have an overlay video of what the shampoo and conditioner, how it did, so that you guys can see what everything was about. Okay. Shampoos with me because my hair, by the time that I actually use shampoo on my hair, it's been a week because I just co-washed midweek. So by the time I use shampoo in my hair is very dirty, and it does take a lot of shampoo for my hair to start to lather up and whatnot. So the first wash didn't really give me anything. It was just like a light kind of like soapy rinse almost, if that makes sense. So it wasn't really anything special to me, but I did feel after I did the second wash, which you guys will see in a second, my hair really lathered up. I felt like my scalp got really clean, and it wasn't super stripping. Like a lot of, I feel, Maui Moisture's shampoos can be a little bit stripping on my hair. I have used the Agave brand for this line, which is the chemically treated line. And I felt like it really just left my hair stripped, which I didn't like. The formulation of this, it's like a clear liquid, so I feel like clear shampoos really work well in my hair because I know that there's no like added ingredients or anything to make it like a special color. Although it is clear, it definitely does feel really creamy too. Like, I don't know how it's clear and creamy, but that's really what it felt like. So I really liked this shampoo. I definitely am going to keep using it. I will give you guys a little bit of the gist of what it says on the back. It says Maui Moisture starts with a unique blend with aloe vera juice and is infused with pure coconut water, unlike some other hair products that start with deionized water as their first ingredient listed. The results: moisturized strands, mended split ends, and a healthy glow with every use. So it says that this exotic hibiscus water, lush passion fruit, and juicy watermelon are infused into this lightly moisturizing blend, help to hydrate strands without residue or heaviness. Strands are left soft, touchable with body. So this is really good for, like it says, lightweight hydration. I don't think that you guys are going to get like super like heavy duty hydration from this shampoo, because it's, no matter what, it's still shampoo, so it is still stripping your hair and everything like that. It smells divine. It smells like a fruity cocktail almost. It just smells so good. So I will honestly just even use it for the scent, because its scent too lingers in my hair. So I really like the shampoo. Moving on to the conditioner, I really do like this conditioner. It's not like my favorite leave-in conditioner. My favorite leave-in conditioner is the Maui 3 Minute Moist, but this is just like a regular schmegular conditioner for me. It doesn't give me super slip like the what was it, Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, but this one does give a lot of slip. It's really nice. I left this in my hair for about 10 minutes after washing out the shampoo in the sink. It did feel really nice in my hair, but like I said, it didn't blow me away. I will definitely keep using it because it did leave my hair hydrated, which I was nervous because I didn't feel super hydration from the shampoo, so I was really hoping that the conditioner would give me a little bit more hydration and everything and moisture, so it did, which I really liked. But like I said, it didn't blow me away. I feel like for something that's targeted as being hydrating, it didn't leave my hair like super duper hydrated, if that makes sense. So I just applied this all throughout my hair. I detangled with this because my hair was super wet, so I just went ahead and used my Tangle Teezer brush just to detangle my hair. I always pre-detangle my hair before I shampoo, just so that I'm not like washing shampoo tangles in my hair, if that makes sense. But this conditioner is super thick, so if you like a thick conditioner, I think you will highly like this. It's honestly kind of hard to get out of the bottle, so I ended up just screwing off the top piece, this little gold part here, just so that I would be able to get the amount of conditioner that I needed. So that's my review on that. Here I'm just going ahead and showing you guys what my hair looked like after I had rinsed out the conditioner. I don't go ahead and shampoo after the conditioner has sat in my hair. I know a lot of people do that just so that their hair isn't heavy or anything from the conditioner, but I don't do that. I just do 2 washes in the beginning. I put in the conditioner and rinse it out, and then I go ahead and deep condition after that. So this is what my hair is looking like. I think it looks really good. It looks really shiny. It doesn't feel like crazy hydrated or anything, but it does feel really nice. So I will continue to use this line, but do I think you have to run out and go buy it? I definitely don't think so. But yeah guys, that is it for this review of the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration line. If you guys have tried out this product, let me know down below your thoughts. I feel like people are really split. Like some people like really love it. Some people are like, meh, it's okay, you can pass on it. I feel like I'm in the middle. Like I will continue to use it. Maybe if I pre-poo before, it'll give me a little bit more hydration. So especially in the summertime, my hair gets super duper dry from being out in the sun and stuff. So that might have something to do with it. Maybe I'll try this out in the winter time and update you guys on how it feels. But I would love to hear your thoughts on the line as well. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that thumbs up button if you like hair videos. And I think that's all I have to say. So I will talk to you girls in my next video very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.